guys, One-Eyed Welder here. So I figured, I'd show you the first time I used that new to me dewalt chop saw that my dad gave me. I'm gonna make some miter cuts and we'll see how it does. Well, first cut done. I mean, it cuts just a touch slower than the ones at the college, but it's also a ton older and seemed to do a pretty darn good job. And I mean, the proof is in the pudding. I mean, there's my cut, and of course, we're gonna have to deburr it, but there's our speed square and our 45. And I mean, after just a touch of deburring, it's there. So we'll deburr it a little bit, and ta-da! Pretty cut. I mean, that's not too bad for who knows how old this thing is. So pretty cool. Lots more to come.